recipe it says some oil, no, 4 tablespoon oil,
Yes.
or the
half
half cup of this one.
Yes. Half cup.
Half cup of this one, not half cup.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you put everything together?
No, just only onion and beef.
There is another trick
Yes.
for. There is another.
No, no onion first and then the beef.
Yes. Charcoal green pepper.
Green pepper.
Then it's name enhan. Water.
Yeah.
See, there's a good amount of liquid in this meat after it's been cooked with the onions and the green pepper. You want to continue sauteing your meat until the liquid is removed. Cook it uncovered so the water evaporates.
1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon pepper paste. Take
So the pepper paste, it looks like a tomato paste. We buy it in Alibaba.
That's for the meat, not for the salad.
1 tablespoon paprika, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon black pepper. Then I'm gonna put that spinach. 3 garlic.
3 cloves finely chopped garlic. Like she's gonna peel it just one side, kind of,
Bu tarafa.
to make it a flat surface that it can. Oh, actually, she's peeling. They call it pajama peel, that which is
Yes.
stripes kind of.
And
In the middle, she cut the middle.
Can you use a board?
yes, for open the inside. Yes.
But it will not open right away. And then you just stop it.
Oh, okay.
It's ready. For 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough for Let me show you. Because the recipe, there's a baking method. But there are 2 methods. Like you can fry it, but you don't fry it. You kind of brown it.
Yumurta süreceğim. Yağ süreceğim.
But it's so messy.
Orada
It's
yazıyor.
so smelly.
So when you see the ingredients, guys, and let me explain the preparation right now. So they already baked that for us to get it easier, get that easier. So for preparation, you need to just
Remember that cut?
So you split.
Yes.
Where the cut is, you're going to split it gently with a fork, and you're going to gently pry the space open. You are not removing any of the eggplant. You're just making space for the filling very delicately.
put the mozzarella before the inside what we prepare, but we didn't put the mozzarella. It depends. Actually, as a Turkish ladies, we're not putting the mozzarella. But if you wanna add, you need to add it first. After mozzarella, you can put that. Or on top. Yeah. Or on top. Yeah.
Tablespoon tomato paste, half tablespoon pepper paste. Then one and a half,
1.5 hot water, değil mi?
maybe a teaspoon salt.
Sometimes they prefer hot water, so I don't know.
It is actually 2 teaspoons maybe.
And salt? Yes, a little bit of salt. Üzerine koyuyor musun yoksa şeylerine?
Yok, yanlarına üzerine koysam kıyması dağılır.
So try not to pour on them, just around them.
Make them swim. Okay. So like a little tomato bag.
Açıl abla.
Altına bir şey koyalım.